Welcome to this detailed overview of Bitpanda Swap, an intuitive and efficient crypto exchange platform that allows users to easily swap one cryptocurrency for another. Bitpanda Swap is designed to provide fast, secure, and low-cost transactions. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. It offers a streamlined experience for both beginners and experienced traders. Once you're on the platform, you'll notice its simple interface that makes it easy to swap crypto assets. You can choose from a variety of cryptocurrencies, select the one you want to trade, and then input how much you want to exchange. With competitive fees, the platform ensures you get the most out of your trades. The security of your assets is a top priority for Bitpanda. The platform utilizes advanced encryption and offers two-factor authentication to keep your account and crypto secure. Additionally, Bitpanda has a reputation for smooth and reliable transactions, so you don't have to worry about long wait times when swapping coins. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of the best features of Bitpanda Swap is its speed. Unlike many other platforms, trades on Bitpanda are processed quickly, so you don't have to wait for hours to get your funds. This makes it an excellent choice for users who want to make fast trades. The platform is also continuously updated to improve the user experience and add new features. For those who are new to crypto trading, Bitpanda Swap offers educational resources to help you get started. Whether you need help understanding how to make a trade, or you want more advanced insights, you'll find helpful articles and guides to make your crypto journey easier. The platform also integrates with other Bitpanda services, making it a solid choice for anyone already using Bitpanda for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Whether you're looking to swap tokens or explore new digital assets, Bitpanda Swap makes it easy to manage and exchange your crypto portfolio with ease. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Your support helps us bring more content to help you navigate the crypto world.